See, they were working. They were working on the fire hydrant there the other day, and it was like making a crazy sound. So he remembers, and every day brings me back to that spot just to make sure it's not making a sound anymore. He remembers everything. He's so smart. You can't imagine how smart he is. You know, unfortunately, he's much smarter than me. They're much smarter than regular cats or dogs by leaps and bounds. Man, I could tell you stories. You thinking about this tree? Are you thinking about this tree? I'm thinking that's a very bad idea. But you can go up a little bit. Not like the other day. A little bit you can do. His shadow has his giant ears. Sorry for my fingers. You want to climb a little bit? You can. You can. I mean, don't be afraid either. It's good for you.